Introduction to AI. Imagine having a robot that can think, learn, and make decisions like a human. This is what artificial intelligence is all about. AI is a branch of computer science where machines are made to mimic human intelligence. From smartphones to video games, AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and more enjoyable. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It involves creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Everyday examples of AI are smartphones. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. Video games and online shopping. AI suggests products based on your past purchases and browsing history. AI is important because it can handle complex tasks quickly and accurately. It helps in various fields like medicine, where AI can assist in diagnosing diseases, and in transportation, where self-driving cars use AI to navigate. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that is transforming our world. It makes our daily tasks easier and opens up new possibilities for the future. As technology advances, understanding AI will become increasingly important, making it an exciting field to explore. Thank you.